Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up FN lock in BIOS on Dell 6320 Detachable. To set the FN keyboard lock, you can do it in BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel about it. Then when that's done, go into keyboard, and in keyboard find FN lock options. You can disable that or enable it, and when it's enabled you can set lock mode to standard or lock mode secondary. And then remember to apply changes and click on OK. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.